I got my seller $90,000 more when selling her house than she originally anticipated that she would get when selling her house by doing this one thing that not every single seller would do. Listen what we have done. You see that wall here between the living room and the bedroom? When I met her at the listing appointment, it was just an open concept space, living dining room combo. Behind this wall, where the wall wasn't there, there was a dining room. And it was an open concept. So immediately when I came to see her house, it was just a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. And I knew that in that area, we wouldn't be able to ask more than $450 for that kind of house because it's only a 2-bedroom home. So we wouldn't be able to get as many eyes on the property as possible. So then I thought to myself, who needs like a big dining room? And I actually told her to put a wall between the living space and the dining space, getting rid of the dining room space completely and just leaving that as a bedroom, 3rd bedroom. Now, mind you, a 3-bedroom house and 2-bathroom house in that area would cost a lot more. So we're able to list it at $515 just to get as much traffic to the property as possible. And then, of course, we are in New Jersey. She's right by the train station. So we were able to get multiple offers. Some offers were even like above $550, but finally she agreed on $540 because that offer had the best terms. We sold basically $90,000 more than she would originally list for. She would list for $450 with 2 bedrooms. With 3 bedrooms, we're able to get $540, and she's ecstatic about it. The price of putting up the wall was $5,000 because it was done by a renowned contractor. I know you can do it yourself. She just hired somebody professional. So $5,000 put into the listing got her $90,000 more. This is amazing, but not everybody would listen like she did. She trusted me completely. She knew that I knew what I was doing, and she trusted my expertise, and that's what happens. Not everybody would do that. Kudos to her, and she's ecstatic. It's always good to talk to your realtor. Actually, we see homes all the time. So as agents, we actually have this like contractor mind in the back, just thinking, constantly thinking. I mean, great agents would do that. Just ask your agent, what could I change? What could I add? What could I remove? What could I demolish in the house or around the house to make my house more appealing to potential buyers? Because remember, more eyes on the property mean more traffic. More traffic means through the door, right? More traffic through the door means more offers, and more offers means bidding wars, and bidding war means a higher offer. And that's what you want as a seller in today's market.